Hi, this is Pedraza, and I'm going to show you how to use Infogram. You can go here and click Create, but instead I'm going to show you something that I already created, and it will look exactly the same. The only difference is that when you click Create, it will show you the different themes that you can choose from. So let me go ahead and click on Library and click on an infogram they already created. So when you click on Settings and change theme, it takes you to the very first screen that you would get when you first click Create. But since I already have one, I'm showing you the step kind of backwards, so you can actually go in here and change any of the themes you want to change. So here is my infogram. I'm using attendance data for several campuses across multiple school years. Infogram is a very user-friendly application. It's a great option for those without any design skills or without much time for creating a graphic. There are several color schemes like you saw that you can choose from. And of course, if you upgrade to the Pro version, there's even more options and more themes you can choose from. In a nutshell here, there are several things that you can do to quickly create an infogram and be able to make a presentation without too much thinking and too much creativity. You can add text by clicking on the A over here for text, and you can basically just double click and start typing. Once you have all your text in, like I do have right here, you can rearrange it by simply dragging and dropping it. You can delete text by clicking on the X. Alright, so once you're done with the text, you can now add charts by clicking on Add a Chart. In this case, I already have two charts that I added here. One is a line chart and the other one is a bar chart. I'm going to double click on the chart so that we can go into the options. Here's the data that I used to create the chart. And if I go to Settings, I can choose all of my chart options here. I can choose the X label, the Y label, the height of the chart, the different ranges, and of course the colors. If you go back into the data, you can also load data by clicking on Load Data. You can upload a file, an Excel file, a comma separated value file, or any other type of file that contains data. Your charts, you can move them around just like your text by dragging and dropping. Once you've added charts, you can go in there and add other information. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can even add maps. And with very little effort and very little time spent, you have yourself a chart, an infogram. When you're ready to finish and share your graph, all you got to do is click on Share. You can publish it to the world: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or you can simply go view on the web and it'll take you straight to the website on it. Of course, you can embed your code. Many different options here of what you can do to get your infogram published. In my case, what I did is I clicked on Share, I clicked on View on Web, and it took me straight to the website. And then all I had to do is scroll down. The nice thing about this infogram is it's interactive. You can click on the options and it gives you data. So that's one of the neat things about it. And of course, it's free and very easy to use. And that is my demo of how to use Infogram. Thank you.